Flowmaster, the leader in performance technology, is proud to introduce our new FlowFX series street mufflers. Engineered to give you performance gains, they also offer a moderate sound level. Our line of FlowFX mufflers offer a straight-through style design and feature a durable, fully welded 409S stainless steel case and, of course, all the quality you expect from Flowmaster. Flowmaster offers a variety of FlowFX mufflers to fit your exhaust system. They come in 2 1/4 all the way up to 3 inch, and they have multiple inlet-outlet configurations. Offset inlet, center outlet, offset inlet, offset outlet, and center inlet with a dual outlet. And they're available in oval or round configurations. One thing to note, these mufflers are not a direct fit and some modifications may be required. FlowFX mufflers feature a straight-through design for maximum flow and minimum restriction. They feature a free-flowing, straight-through perforated stainless steel core and single-stage packing. These mufflers bring back that classic deep sound and offer a solid construction and rugged reliability even in the most extreme conditions. The FlowFX series muffler delivers a moderate performance sound level for the enthusiast looking for an exhaust tone that is different from the chambered muffler sound that Flowmaster is famous for. If you drive a classic muscle car or a late model car or truck and you're looking to add that quality straight through performance and a classic muffler sound to your current exhaust, these awesome FlowFX mufflers are the way to go. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.